Good day guys, welcome. In this one we're talking about how to customize email inquiry using Tradify. So in order to do this and enable them, navigate to the settings, then go to inquiries, and in here as you can see you can capture and manage work opportunities in one place. You can get customer emails, website inquiries, and work orders straight into Tradify. So you just press on this button, start using inquiries, and in here you choose which form you want and which type you want. The first one is the website inquiry form. So this will be your website to capture. So this will make sure your website's used to capture inquiries, and you can also send an email. So you can send them to a unique address and they will instantly appear in Tradify. So you can just choose both or either of them and press on next. Now you can choose which profile will use this. And as you can see, the web form inquiry link is static, you can't change it. And also the sending email address. So this one will, of course, be the email address connected precisely to your Tradify account and not the one you're registered with. Press on next. And you can also set up a company logo, for example, complete setup. And as you can see, you can get the most out of Tradify inquiries, link the inquiries form to your websites. So let's go. And as you can see, we have the details in here to connect them to your websites. As you can see, we can also connect to WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace. So it's up to you how you want to customize next. But in general, this is how you enable them. Enjoy using them. If you like these kind of videos, make sure to like them and subscribe to us. See you soon, guys.